Today I'm going to show you how to complete your Metabolix kit. It includes everything that you need in it, including your blood spot, your saliva swab, as well as your urinalysis. There will be some paperwork in here and instructions on how to mail it out. 48 hours in advance to completing your Metabolix kit, you'll want to make sure that you are discontinuing from supplements, any substances that might influence your sample, as well as seafood. 24 hours in advance, you are going to limit your fluid intake to 8 8-ounce glasses of water. To complete your blood spot, you're going to want to make sure that you're taking a look and reading through the detailed instructions here. You're going to start off by taking your sample and put your name and the date on there. You will clean your hands and then rub your finger, your middle finger, and massage that gently to get the blood flowing. You'll take the alcohol swab and clean off the tip of your finger. And then you will poke the very tip of the finger. You'll continue to massage that finger until you get blood flowing. And you will be using that blood and just dipping that onto the card. Once you have enough blood that's filling these circles, then you have completed your blood spot. To complete your urinalysis, you'll want to read through the detailed instructions here. The night before, you will freeze your ice pack and also place labels on each of your tubes. The morning of, you will take your sample and use your dropper to fill each of your tubes. You will want to fill these until they are almost full. Make sure to place the cap tightly on. You will fill all 4 tubes, place those into the bag, and then freeze those for at least 2 hours. Now that your samples are complete, you'll want to make sure to complete your requisition form. You will include the date of your urinalysis. You'll add a label, as well as complete the back top section. You will take your frozen pack and place it into your styrofoam box, as well as your urinalysis and your blood spot. Place the lid on that box. Make sure to read through your shipping instructions. You'll complete your shipping label here and place all of your items into your shipping bag. You will mail your kit at a FedEx center, ideally Monday through Thursday, for overnight shipping.